Ready to elevate your streaming experience? Today, I'll show you how to install IPTV on your Amazon Fire Stick quickly and easily. First, let's prepare your device. Go to Settings, select My Fire TV, then Developer Options, and turn on apps from unknown sources. This is crucial for sideloading IPTV Smarters Pro, one of the best IPTV apps out there. Next, download the Downloader app from the Amazon App Store. Open it, and in the URL field, enter the link for IPTV Smarters Pro. Once downloaded, install it and launch the app. Now, enter your IPTV credentials to start streaming. Remember, using a VPN can enhance your security and access more content.
Yeah, came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came, country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tees.
For reliable IPTV service, check out 2TV Store, the best IPTV provider. The link is in the description. Finally, enjoy your favorite shows and movies. That's it. You're all set to explore endless entertainment on your Fire Stick.